front of me is Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store. Then you need to click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Following that, install this free app from Mad Scientist developer and open it. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner. From here, select Settings and tap on I accept in this pop-up. Now finally, you can adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're ready, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, you need to choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Apply and tap on Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. As you can see now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!